Basic concept of linear programming problem. Objective function. The objective of the problem is identified and converted into a suitable objective function. The objective function represents the aim or goal of the system, that is decision variables, which has to be determined from the problem. Generally, the objective in most cases will be either to maximize the resources or profits or to minimize the cost or time. Constraints. When the availability of resources are in surplus, there will be no problem in making decisions. But in real life, organizations normally have scarce resources within which the job has to be performed in the most effective way. Therefore, problems that arises are within confined limits in which the optimal solution to the problem must be found. Non-negativity constraint. Negative values of physical quantities are impossible, like producing negative number of chairs, tables, etc. So it is necessary to include the element of non-negativity as a constraint. Now let us take one illustration. A company manufactures two types of boxes, corrugated and ordinary cartons. The boxes undergo two major processes, cutting and pinning operations. The profits per unit are rupees 6 and rupees 4 respectively. Each corrugated box requires 2 minutes for cutting and 3 minutes for pinning operation, whereas each cartoon box requires 2 minutes for cutting and 1 minute for pinning. The available operating time is 120 minutes and 60 minutes for cutting and pinning machines. The manager has to determine the optimum quantities to be manufactured the two boxes to maximize the profit. Here now solution. Decision variables completely describe the decision to be made, in this case by manager. Manager just must decide how many corrugated and ordinary cartoons should be manufactured each week. With this in mind, he has to define X1 be the number of corrugated boxes to be manufactured and X2 be the number of cartoon boxes to be manufactured. Objective function is the function of the decision variable that the decision maker wants to maximize revenue or profit or minimize the cost. Manager can concentrate on maximize the total weekly profit, that is Z. Here profits equals to weekly revenues minus raw material purchase cost minus other variable cost. Here manager's objective function is maximize Z, that is equal to 6x1 plus 4x2. Constraints show the restriction on the values of the decision variables. Without constraint, manager could make a large profit by choosing decision variables to be very large. Here there are three constraints: available machine hours for each machine, time consumed by each product. Sign restriction are added if the decision variables can only assume non-negative values. Manager cannot use negative number machine and time never negative number. All these characteristics explored above give the following linear programming problem. Here maximize Z, that is equal to 6x1 plus 4x2, that is the objective function. Subject to the constraints, here first constraint is 2x1 plus 3x2 less than equal to 120, that is cutting time constraint. Second constraint is 2x1 plus x2 less than equal to 60, that is pinning constraint, and x1 x2 greater than equal to 0, that is sign restriction. A value of x1 and x2 is in the feasible region if it is satisfy all the constraints and sign restrictions. This type of linear programming can be solved by two methods. First is graphical method and second is simplex algorithm method.